Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make this sausage, green beans and tomatoes with capri. Oh my god, this is one of the most healthy way to make your sausage, guys. Believe me, you will enjoy this recipe if you give it a try. It's very healthy, guys. So let's get into the recipe. So what you're going to be needing is fresh tomatoes. I'm using cherry tomatoes because cherry tomatoes is perfect for this recipe. So another thing is capri. Here, this is the capri I'm using. An extra virgin of olive oil. Yes. And the sausage, use any brand of sausage you have. Worcester, what they call it. So just use any brand. I normally use this one or the smaller one. So those are the ingredients. The next thing you're going to do, overheat, place a pan, add extra virgin of olive oil or you can add vegetable oil. Slice those fresh tomatoes and pour over the oil. Add a teaspoon of capri. Mix them all up together. You're not going to be using salt on this recipe, guys, okay? That pot you saw there, what is cooking inside is the green beans, okay? So just boil your green beans with salt until the green beans is cooked. So after 2 minutes, as you can see there, I'm going to start adding the sausage, and you saw what I'm doing. I'm opening the sausage, I'm just cutting them open. So I'm going to cut all the sausage open and put in the pan. After then, I'm going to stir them all up together to make sure that they are cooking well and the sauce is going around the sausage. So after doing that, I normally love to cover them for 2 minutes just for them to just get that heat, but you can leave them open. So guys, I'm just showing you now that I'm putting the lid on there. So just put the lid on, or you can just leave it open if that is what you want, but just make sure that you stir them continuously. But I love to put on the lid for about 2 minutes there. So yeah, so just make sure that they are cooking well. The important thing is that you monitor the sausage, you make sure they don't get burnt, and you make sure that they are well cooked. So cook the sausage until they are cooked to your consistency, the consistency you love them to be cooked. You can cook them 10 minutes, 5 minutes, 3 minutes, depending how many minutes you think that they are cooked. It's very easy to make. I use 5 minutes to get all this done, maximum 6 minutes. So here the sausage is well cooked, as you can see there. There is no salt needed. Please do not add salt into this because you don't want them to be too salted, okay? Because the capri is already salted. So I'm going to take them off the heat now and move over to the beans. The beans is already out of the heat. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to chop that fresh garlic. You will need only a little bit of 1 clove of garlic, just small one. Just clean them and chop them. After chopping them, use a bigger bowl to do this. Add the cooked green beans into the garlic. Add extra virgin of olive oil, followed by the vinegar. This is the type of vinegar I love to use, guys. But you can use any vinegar of your choice, but this is the one I love to use. I love the taste a lot. Normally, I do these beans early evening and allow them to stay in the fridge to marinate for the garlic and the vinegar to soak into the green beans. It's very delicious when you marinate them early after the beans have finished cooking. So now mix them all up together. You can add salt if you want to add salt into them, like raw salt. But I'm not going for raw salt right now because the sausage is already salted. So after mixing them, just plate them, just put them in the plate, the sausage, green beans and the tomatoes that the sausage is cooked on. This is a very simple meal and it's a balanced diet, guys. It's something you eat once in a while. It's not something that you consume every day. You can even use bread to eat them. Just mash them all up into the bread. But I love to have them this way. It's like I feel more light. like when I have them this way, it doesn't feel heavy. So but you can go ahead and eat them with bread. Okay, it's your choice. So yeah, this recipe is one of my go to recipe in the evening or in the afternoon, depends on the mood, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you all for watching, and if you haven't subscribed, make sure you click the subscribe button for more videos that will be coming up. See you all. God bless you. Bye.